Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn about some different terminologies which are using during the enzymes description. So first of all, objective. After this lecture you will be able to know about the different key terminologies used in enzyme description. So first of all, if we are defining the enzymes, definition of enzymes is enzymes are biocatalyst. So first you have to know about the term catalyst. That question number 1, what is catalyst? Catalyst, anything which speed up the chemical reactions or which are doing the reaction or helping the reaction to done at the faster rate. So let's take a pause and think why we use the term biocatalyst instead of catalyst. So the answer is because these are using in living organisms, the chemical reactions which are occurring in living organism. That's why we are using it as a biocatalyst, right? The second term, the most important term, is substrate. What is substrate? Anything or any molecule upon which the enzymes are working, upon which enzymes or acts upon or working. Let's take an example of starch. It is it has very long chain of glucose molecule, but I draw it here only for one. Starch, here is an enzyme which working on it and breaking it into the two pieces, 1 and 2. Again the enzyme will work and break it into the 4 pieces of glucose. So the substrate is starch upon which enzymes working. And what is the next is product. So product is product when enzyme acts upon a molecule and change its form, it is known as product. The final things that we got after a chemical reaction, it is known as a product. For example, in above reaction, starch is a substrate upon which the enzymes are acting upon and changes into the glucose molecule. So glucose is the final product, right? So after this, the question you have to memorize is define substrate and product. So let's take a pause. Now remind by yourself what is substrate and product. The next terminology is active site. You can see the whole enzyme is not taking part during the chemical reaction, only a small portion of involving. That small portion which involved during the chemical reaction is known as substrate. The part or portion of enzyme which take part in chemical process, this is known as the active site. Okay. After this lecture, let's start the recapitulation. We learn about the key terminologies: biocatalyst, substrate, product and active site. Okay, if we have this picture, can you name them? What is A? What is B? What is C and what is D? This is your assignment.